Dear students, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, BT Duras, lecturer, Civil Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic Yavatmal. Under this Unit 2, which is related to crop water requirement and reservoir planning, for the UO2D, calculate reservoir capacity from the given data, which is related to the topic 2.4 area capacity curve. The learning objectives of the topic is that to calculate the capacity of the reservoir from the given data and drawing area capacity curve and elevation capacity curve. What we are going to learn today, that is concept map, explanation of the concept, area capacity curve, key definitions and certain formulas related to the area capacity curve, elevation capacity curve, significance of area capacity curve, drawing of area capacity curve and determining the capacity by using the different formulas, application of the concept. As far as the concept map for the topic is concerned, the area capacity curve or elevation capacity curve basically consisting of two figures. Area of contour strip from the contour plan, which is shown on upper x-axis, volume of reservoir in corresponding contour strip from the contour plan on lower x-axis, and elevation above the mean sea level on y-axis. Area capacity curve is a curve in which two curves are plotted in one figure having area in hectare of water spread plotted on x-axis and reservoir capacity with RL of water in the reservoir on y-axis. The area curve gives about the area under submergence and useful in determining the control levels of the dam. The capacity curve provides the information about the capacity of reservoir at different RL, which is useful in deciding the capacity of the reservoir. From the contour map of the reservoir, area of water spread of the reservoir at any elevation is directly determined by measuring the area at that contour with the help of planimeter. The significance of area capacity curve is that it is useful in finding out the capacity of the reservoir. It can be also useful for determining the water spread of the reservoir. It is also useful in finding out the elevation of water spread at any point. It is also useful for determining the control levels of the dam. In this figure, you can see the two curves are there, that is capacity elevation curve, which is also called as capacity curve, and the another one, it is a area elevation curve, which is also called as the water spread area curve. Here, the first curve, that is the capacity elevation curve. In this, you can see the capacities are marked on lower x-axis in million cubic meter and the corresponding elevations on y-axis. So this is the curve which gives the idea about the capacity of the reservoir at different elevation. The another figure you can see here, that is the area elevation curve, in which the capacity is marked, in which the water spread is marked in million square meter on upper x-axis and the corresponding elevations on y-axis. Here this is another figure of the same, which gives you the idea regarding the maximum operating level, minimum operating level and the zero pool level, that is the dead storage level. It can be also useful in finding the spillway crest. The area elevation curve. From the contour plan of the reservoir site, the area of successive contours A1, A2, A3 up to AN are determined with the help of planimeter. The area A1 is minimum at the bottom of the basin and the area AN is maximum at the top of the basin. This curve gives the area submerged at different elevation. The another curve, that is the storage elevation or volume elevation curve. The volume of storage of water between the successive contours is calculated by the Prismoidal formula. The volume of storage between the successive contours goes on increasing from bottom of the basin towards its top. The capacity may be determined by taking the contour areas at equal intervals and summing up these areas by the following methods, which can be done by using the different formulas. In this, the first formula, it is the trapezoidal formula, which is expressed by V is equal to summation of h by 2 into A1 plus A2, which is equal to A1 plus AN divided by 2 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 up to AN minus 1. This is the expanded form of the upper step. The second formula which is used for finding out the volume is that the cone formula, which is expressed by V is equal to summation h by 3 into A1 plus A2 plus under root A1 A2. The third formula, that is the Prismoidal formula, which is expressed by V is equal to summation h by 3 into A1 plus 4 times A2 plus A3. Likewise, that is equal to h by 3 into bracket A1 plus AN plus 4 times A2 plus A4 plus A6 likewise plus twice A3 plus A5 plus A7 likewise. So in this way the formulas are there for finding out the volume V, that is the volume or capacity of reservoir. A1 plus A2 are the areas included between the successive elevation line and H is the height of the interval. The concept is useful in understanding the area elevation curve and capacity elevation curve. It is useful in deciding the capacity of reservoir. It is also possible to know the water spread of the reservoir. It is also useful in determining control levels of the dam. So, what we learned today, that is the concept map, explanation of the concept, area capacity curve, certain key definitions related to the area capacity curve, area capacity curve as well as elevation capacity curve, significance of area capacity curve and drawing of area capacity curve and determining the capacity by using the different formulae and its application. The key takeaways of the topic is that reservoir storage capacity can be found out by drawing area capacity curve or elevation capacity curve. The data can be useful for water planning also. For this topic, you can refer certain books which are related to the irrigation engineering by Dr. B.C. Punmiya, by J.G. Daigavkar, by N.N. Basak, by H.M. Raghunath. You can also go through the internet links, that is from the YouTube or some other videos. The links are given here. Thank you.